Hello friends. One day a person used to say me, Sujit, you cannot teach English in a huge school. At that time I responded very politely. I said to that person, this is your mentality, sir. But right now I cannot teach English because I belong to Hindi medium. So at that time, I only told that person, don't worry sir, I will improve my English and I will be a great teacher of English. So I started improving my English, and by doing it, by keeping this point in my mind, I have become a teacher of English. Right now, I am teaching English in a CBSE school. So at that time, the mentality of that person was terrible. But right now, I have taught lots of students, and those students who are very weak at English, right now, those students who are speaking English very fluently. This is my mentality right now. So it is happening because of power of thoughts. That person's power of thoughts are very terrible, but my thoughts are very polite. My words are very humble to that person. So it is because of only your power of thoughts. Thank you.